the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Nervous system is so important that without it you would be nothing. Yes. The nervous system main function is to transmit messages throughout the body. Now, that might not seem like a huge thing, but without those messages, as I said, you would be nothing. The nervous system is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is divided into sensory pathways and motor pathways. So, since the central nervous system is your brain and your spinal cord, the peripheral nervous system is everything else. The sensory pathways are pretty much sensory nerves that carry information from the senses to the brain. The motor pathways are messages from the brain through to the body. And the motor pathways are divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system are voluntary actions, while the autonomic nervous system is involuntary actions. The autonomic nervous system is divided into sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. The sympathetic division is nicknamed fight or fleet, and it is named like that because it prepares you to situations in which you have to either fight or flee. The parasympathetic division does the opposite. It relaxes you, like when you want to go to sleep. And this all is what makes your nervous system. The cerebrum, also called the cortex, is associated with action and thinking. The cerebellum perceives sensory information and then regulates coordination of voluntary movements such as posture, balance, coordination, speech. Medulla. The medulla oblongata helps regulate breathing, heart and blood vessels function, digestion, sneezing, and swallowing. This part of the brain is a center for respiration and circulation.
Neurons and the nerves are the basic unit of the nervous system. The difference between the neurons and the nerves is the neurons are found in just the brain and the nerves are found in the whole body. Okay, the function is to transmit the information throughout the nervous system.
Reflex is an instant response to stimulus without any conscious thought, just like this.
What was that?
An action potential is an electrochemical message that goes from one cell to another, like this.
Hey Tony,
Yeah,
what's Parkinson's?
Parkinson's disease is a disorder that affects the central nervous system. It affects movement, usually causing tremors.
So Tony, what causes Parkinson's?
Progressed impairment or deterioration of neurons in parts of the brain.
Cool.
Symptoms may include tremors in the hands or limbs, stiff muscles, and involuntary movement. Stop laughing! What's so funny? I know we couldn't.
Oops.
That's insane.
It started.
Whoa! Did you really start?
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
Treatments for Parkinson's disease are dopamine, physical exercise, stop zooming in my face, and antidepressants.
Okay.
Hey Kenya, what's dementia?
Dementia is a group of thinking and social symptoms that interfere with daily functions.
What causes dementia?
Dementia is caused by head injuries, strokes, or symptoms for dementia are memory loss, mental decline, and inability to recognize things. Okay, so some treatments for dementia are occupational therapy, rehabilitation, or you could go see a neurologist.
Did you know?
So, by the time of its birth, a baby's brain consists of about 100 million nerve cells. Oh my!
Now you don't. Yeah. Now you know. Now you know.
So Tony, what causes Parkinson's disease?
What causes the Bill Cosby, y'all. Start over.